Ooh. Hey guys, what's going on? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this origami octagonal flicker I just designed yesterday. And it's a really good flicker too. See? And this is what it looks like. And this is actually a slight variation of this origami octagonal flicker by Jeremy Schaefer. This is the octagonal spiral flicker, and he made a tutorial for that right here. Okay, but in this video, I'm going to show you how to make my variation. So ready, set, here goes. Okay, so for this model, I'm going to use a 10-inch square of kami. You could use a 6-inch square. So let's begin with the white side up, and let's fold in half. Alright, and fold in half this way too. Okay, unfold, and blitz. Okay, and now fold this edge to the middle. And really try and make your folds exact, especially right here. Okay, unfold, and fold this edge to the middle also. Okay, and we're going to do that 6 more times. So here we go. And I'm going to go ahead and fast forward this part. Or no, maybe not. Okay, like this. Okay, so we have it like this, and now we're going to refold this side in, like that. And we're going to fold this up. Here, I'm going to zoom in. Right on this crease. Okay, and fold this up like this. Right on this crease. And fold this up. Right on this crease. Oh. There you go. And really you want to make sure that this edge touches that point. Maybe close enough is okay too. And just keep folding like this, like what I'm doing. And pay attention to the creases too. And this up right on this crease. Okay, now stick this flap inside of here. And this is actually the same exact folding method as in this model. Like, this is the same exact closing part, like what Jeremy Schaefer did in this model. So really, this model I'm teaching right now is actually, it's just like this model, just heavier, and there's no white part in the middle. Okay, and now fold this edge to this crease. Like that. Okay, and unfold, and we're going to open here and fold this flap in right on this crease, like this. Okay, and then now fold this flap down right on that crease, where you can see the crease on this side too. Okay, and reverse fold, open here and reverse fold, like that. And fold this flap up. Yeah, so this edge aligns with that crease. Okay, like that. And now if you want, you can kind of we're gonna fold this down just a little bit. We're just shortening this flap, so it makes it easier to do the next step. Okay, and now we're gonna take this flap and we're gonna fold it inside. Take this flap and fold it inside, right on this grease, like this. And this is probably the hardest step of the whole model. Okay, and you just kind of have to, just stuff it in there. It's okay if it kind of crumbles a little bit inside. That's inside anyway, so it doesn't matter. But once you did that, flatten everything out like this. Grease everything sharply. Like this. And there's your octagonal flicker. And this is a really good flying flicker too, I have to admit. And to make it fly a little bit better, you can give it some curvature like this. Okay? And that'll give it some lift when you flick it. Alright. So there it is. Let's see if it'll spin. It helps to spin it on an actual wooden table or something instead of on a piece of paper. See? But yeah, it spins a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to fly it. Here we go. Okay, so I'm going to hold it like this and flick right here. So here we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, one more time. That's an excellent flicker. Alright, well, hope you guys enjoyed folding that and enjoy flying it. And make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Alright, bye-bye.